One of the things we love most about Character Home is all the original beautiful detail. The key is finding modern solutions that feel right at home beside them. Hi, I'm Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm going to show you how we used custom Stegbar solutions in this character semi-renovation. In the bedrooms, we used Stegbar's Galleria wardrobes to add much needed storage, and we love that we could customize the size and internal cabinetry to suit each space. The classic shaker profile doors add so much character and can be configured as either sliding or hinged depending on the room. In the bathroom, one of my favourite features is this radius shower screen. The gentle curve brings softness and a more elevated finish to this space, turning a practical shower screen into a standout design feature. It's these thoughtful details that make a home feel truly special. For us, Stegbar helped create a home that feels beautiful, practical, and true to its heritage character. To explore Stegbar's range, head to stegbar.com.au.